a mood boosting tonics and a tonic that makes you happy. I want to give you a drink, a tonic, a gift that makes you happy. You will remain healthy at every opportunity of life. You will remain green fresh. The burden of your health, fatigue, nervousness, anxiety, and laziness will not come near you. You walk, your legs hurt, your pain relieving pills do not work. You take some tonics. You take injection. You are disappointed and miserable with some dangerous disease. So this tonic that I am about to give you, hold my heart and take from me the secret that you have been waiting for, which is kept hidden. Amla candy and 3 pieces, dates 3 pieces, raisins that is soaked 40 pieces, almond kernels 40 pieces, whether they are local almonds or foreign fat broilers almonds. At night, while sleeping, take out the seeds of amla, candian in 1 cup of water, and soaks the dates without the seeds, raisins, and almond in 1 cup of water. Wake up in the morning and add a cup of milk and shake it well. You can add honey and add more milk and water as required. Drink sips, sips, sips. It is fresh in summer. It is very light and cool. It should not be too cool. Drink it, but my condition is the same. Drink sips, sips, and small sips. Don't drink at all at once. This is health, this is well being, and this is healing. Thanks for watching and thanks for your intention. Like, share, and subscribe.